This is where women really go wrong. Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. Number one is that most women don't understand the health benefits of strength training. That is changing, but the vast majority of women don't realize that everything from your muscles to your tendons, your ligaments, your bone, your brain, your heart, your blood vessels, and more benefits when you strength train. So this is a health habit. It's not a male versus female question. It's a health habit. So women miss it because they don't recognize the overwhelming benefits strength training has to their health. And then they have the misguided notion that's been around for 100 years. They're going to get too big and bulky. And of course, that doesn't happen because they don't have the muscle tissue and or the hormones to build significant amounts of muscle mass on average. So women can win on both levels. They can improve strength, function, health, and do it with just two 25-minute workouts per week.